How to fix Instagram Reels. Add note option not showing problem. Let's get started. The first step is to make sure that the Instagram app is up to date by opening the App Store, searching for Instagram, and tapping Update if an update is available. Next, restarting the iPhone can often solve minor app-related issues, so it's worth trying a quick reboot. If the problem persists, it could be an Instagram server issue. So checking websites like Down Detector or browsing social media to see if others are reporting the same issue may help. Another possibility is that the Add Note feature hasn't been rolled out to the user's account or region yet, as Instagram tends to gradually release new features. If none of these steps work, uninstalling and reinstalling Instagram can fix potential bugs within the app, and this can be done by holding the app icon, selecting Remove App, and then reinstalling it from the App Store. Lastly, if the issue still isn't resolved, users can contact Instagram support by navigating to Settings, then Help, and selecting Report a Problem to get further assistance. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.